I'm retired, so what do I do all day? Today I'll be making a deep inlay bowl from ash with a sapele star. This is done using a CNC router and a wood lathe. I've developed this process myself, but I'm always open to constructive comments and recommendations to improve it. Now this is my very first YouTube video, so please bear that in mind and see my learning at the end. This is my first YouTube video, and I've learnt a lot from doing it. From the video point of view, I really need to improve the camera position and make sure I don't get in the way of it. I also need to tidy up the workshop a bit. Now from the bowl, I really need to improve the hot gluing. It actually came off when it was on the lathe, but you didn't see that. I managed to glue it back on okay. A bigger glue gap will improve the inlay fit. I've now done a separate video for the design principles, so please have a look at that. It would have been better if the star had been 75mm diameter rather than 80mm, then it would have fitted exactly into the recess on the back. And the bowl could be a few millimeters deeper, which would make the star bigger in the front or on the inside. I hope that you have found this interesting and useful. If you do have a CNC, have a go at a deep inlay bowl and see what you can create. I really appreciate any questions or suggestions, and thank you for watching. Now you know a bit more of what I do all day. Like and subscribe to find out some more.